What's up, guys? Today I wanted to show you how I feed my hummingbirds, and I wanted to bring you along because it's very simple and easy and it doesn't take much. All it takes is white granulated sugar and water. So I always do 1 cup of sugar to 4 cups of water. So here we go. Here we have our 1 cup of sugar. I just dumped that into this. Here I have my water coming to a boil. Once that comes to a boil, I then just pour it in until the sugar has dissolved, and then I put it in the refrigerator to cool down. And this honestly isn't really even necessary. It just helps the sugar dissolve. So while this is heating, I'm gonna go ahead and clean my feeders. So my water is coming to a boil. It's nice and hot, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off, and then I just pour it in. Then I just let this cool before I fill the feeders. Then I put the rest back in the refrigerator. And that can stay in there for 5 days, up to 5 days. So here we have it. These are my feeders, they're all full. And this one says, best hummingbird feeder. And you guys, at first I thought this was just saying that for branding. But honestly, you guys, I have several feeders, and this one is the one that the hummingbirds go to the most. The recipe is really easy, you guys. It's just 1 cup sugar to 4 cups water. So the most important thing when feeding hummingbirds is the responsibility of cleaning the feeders. Hummingbirds can get sick and die if the feeders are dirty, especially in the heat of the summer. These get moldy very quick. So every day or every other day, you really need to be cleaning the feeder, especially if it's in a location that gets direct sun. So it is a job. These hummingbirds are like my kids. So I do take the responsibility of cleaning the feeders every day and changing out the sugar water. Now, I don't even add any dye. You don't need to add any dye. It's not necessary. All I use are granulated sugar and water. Let it cool. Then I put the feeders out there, and they will come right away. They're already out there looking for the feeders. So let's go ahead and get these out there and watch them eat.